It's hard to know what this young mother hoped for her children. Regardless of what dreams and plans she had, the reality is very different. Victims trapped by Agent Orange's toxic legacy. So named for the orange stripes on the drums it was stored in, Agent Orange was designed to strip away the jungle hiding places of North Vietnamese fighters. But when it rained down on trees and foliage, civilians were also caught up in its poisonous spray, as were the US soldiers who administered it, the signs of which are still evident today. Vietnam estimates up to 4 million of its citizens were exposed to the herbicide. Former French-Vietnamese journalist Andrea Nierhoff says she's one of those. But while she blames Agent Orange for hers and her children's multiple health problems, a French court has disagreed, throwing out the 79-year-old's case against 14 companies that produced and sold the chemical, arguing they were under the jurisdiction of the US's wartime government.
I was hoping the crimes would be recognised. I wasn't even asking for these crimes to be punished, but that the crime be recognised. I was hoping those who hurt people would have the courage to recognise what they did, and then we could together talk about how we might help the victims.
The decades-long aftermath of Agent Orange has long been a source of tension between the US and Vietnam, with Washington's acknowledgement of the herbicide's harm extending little beyond organising clean-up operations and calls for further research.
I'm not prepared to say that the United States government agrees with the definitions that are currently used. That's why we need more scientific research.
So far, only military veterans who fought in the conflict have been awarded compensation. Still, Andrea Nierhoff is already planning her appeal.
The pain and the suffering is the same for everyone. There's no difference between the victims, whether they're American or Filipino, Korean, Australian. They're all the children of the soldiers who were deployed to Vietnam.
Meanwhile, Agent Orange's hidden victims continue to suffer in silence. Andrea Nierhoff, ABC News.